Here's how I've been making toothpaste recently. This is what you're gonna need. Distilled water, aloe vera gel, calcium carbonate, bentonite clay powder, baking soda, stevia, the powder works too, peppermint essential oil, an airtight container, a non-metallic utensil, measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and a utensil. Get your mixing bowl and get ready to add 2 tablespoons of calcium carbonate, 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay powder, use the non-metallic utensil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 30 drops of stevia, 20 drops of peppermint essential oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and use a non-metallic utensil to stir. Add 1 tablespoon of distilled water at a time until you reach a toothpastey consistency. Keep stirring, it should start to look something like this. Grab your airtight container. I've used a silicone squeeze tube, but feel free to use a glass jar or any other airtight container. This tube is great because it minimizes contamination when shared with multiple people, but it's also great for travel, and its wide opening also makes filling, refilling, and cleaning a whole lot easier. This recipe and all the supplies I've used will be linked down below. Once your airtight container is all full, close it up. We're done. It's ready for use.